Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the saturation of an image on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, we just need to drag the image. So for adjusting the saturation of this image, here on the top you can see here many options, and here as an option you can see here adjust. Click on that. And after clicking that option, here on the left you can see here many options, and here as section you can see here colors. Click on that. And then here is the first option, you can see here saturation, and from here we can just increase or decrease it as much as you wanted. And after adjusting it, you can see that you had been adjust the saturation of an image on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the